Hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for another video because today I want to take you guys along for a little Friday night in the life, do a little Target haul. Got a few things that we want to do. So I figured it would be fun to bring you guys along because today is a chill weekend. Next weekend, Matt and I are going to New York. I'm gonna be there for the week, spend some time with my dad. Matt's gonna get to meet the Silverberg family. He's only met my Aunt Titi, so I'm very excited that he's gonna get to meet my cousins, their kids. I'm gonna get to meet my cousin Jesse's daughter, Mila. I haven't met her yet.
I'm so excited.
And I haven't seen my cousin Ian's kids, August and Eliana. I haven't seen them in a bit, so I'm so excited to mush them. They're so cute. And Mila is also so cute.
I can't wait.
So it's gonna be really nice. I painted my nails this afternoon, obviously using Doctor's Remedy. This periwinkle color is what dreams are made of. I'm obsessed with it. So there's that. Also, edited some videos today. It's been a good day. Also, have been reading. Made a decent, I'm on page 114 of Daisy Jones and the Six. I'm so excited to watch this series. Like Matt and I have been really wanting to start the series, but he promised me that we could wait to start it until after I've finished the book. Oh, just having a really good day. It's beautiful out. It's not like very warm, but blue skies. It's really, really nice to have some blue skies. Again, it's not that it's that warm out, but just the sun makes such a difference in how I feel. I did a full face of makeup today, and I feel very confident when I wear red, which is a really funny thing because for my entire childhood into my adolescence, my mom told me that red was not my color, that I should not wear red, and that it washes me out and like makes me look really pale. So for
like literally until I was in my 20s,
I didn't wear red ever. And I just assumed that it was a color that I looked awful in, and it turns out my mom was wrong. Isn't that funny how as kids we just take our parents' advice as the rule, as gospel, and then it takes 20 years to unprogram all that from yourself and start making independent decisions for yourself, and turns out red actually is my color, and I love it. So wearing this red sweater and these Hollister jeans. Oh, did you go on a walk with your dad? Yeah? It has been a busy, busy week for Matt and I. Matt took a project management course certification thing, or just I guess the course. You get certified. He has to take a test to get certified. So it's been really busy for Matt because he has been doing this course every single day this week from basically 9 to 5, and then also working his normal job during his breaks, and it's just been crazy, and it's been a really busy week for me despite the fact that it has only been a 3-day work week because we were off today for Now Marketing Group for Good Friday, and I took off on Wednesday for my speaking engagement, which if you watched the vlog, you saw my little treat myself day on Wednesday. So despite it being a 3-day week, it has just been busy. It has been filled with stuff. I feel like Matt and I have had less connective quality time this week just because, admittedly, at least for me, my head has just been in the game. I've just been so focused on whether it is my speaking gig or, because I had a speaking gig also last night, so I had 2 speaking gigs this week. Just like so much work stuff. It was a really productive week. Gouda, no. Thank you. Gouda was about to steal tissue from the garbage. Basically, just catching you guys up. It's been a busy time, but I'm really happy that it's Friday. I'm looking forward to going to Target. I think that'll be fun. Get it, Goo! And yeah, I don't know, I just feel like a little mini trip to Target's a great way to start off the weekend. I might want to get some more pimple patches, but really the main thing on my list, I want to get something for my mom if something kind of screams out at me, because I already got my mom a nice birthday gift. My mom's birthday is coming up and I want to send out a package to her this week.
Ideally.
I don't know. I'm clearly figuring this out in my brain as I tell you guys. So I'm gonna figure all that out, but yeah. Figured I'd bring you guys along for a little Target haul, because who doesn't love a Target haul? Oh my God, okay, before we go to Target, you guys, I'm
so excited right now.
I just booked Matt and I tickets to go see Trevor Hall in Canandaigua at like on a farm in July.
I'm so excited.
It's gonna be like really intimate, I think. Oh my gosh, I'm beyond excited. If you guys don't know Trevor Hall, go to Spotify right now, type in Trevor Hall, listen to Yerawala, that's like a really, really good one, or listen to his most popular song is Green Mountain State. It's a really good one and I really like it, but I'm just obsessed with his album Kala that came out in 2015. To Zion, oh my god, To Zion is so good. Honestly, this entire Kala album is really, really good. I like Uncle Joe, which like surprised me. I didn't really think that I would like that one so much. Mother is also really good. You Can't Rush Your Healing is the one that I was gonna recommend, and it's really good, but it's not my favorite. Indigo. Okay, Yurawala and Indigo. Those are the two ones that I recommend you go listen to. And then let me know in the comments if you like Trevor Hall.
Also, let me know if you're gonna be at his show in Canandaigua, because I am
Next level right now. I'm so excited. Oh my god, Taylor Swift in June and then Trevor Hall in July.
shaping up to be a good music summer.
If we add one in August, that will be like peak.
I don't know, peak summer vibes for me.
So yeah, just figured I'd update you guys because eventually there's gonna be like a Trevor Hall vlog. There's gonna be a going to Pittsburgh to see Taylor Swift vlog.
I'm just so excited.
We're in Target and it's bumping. It's like we had to walk a little bit to find a spot, and the line for Starbucks is crazy. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now to pick out a little outfit for Baby Jet. Okay, I gotta focus on the task at hand, but I will let you guys know, obviously, when we get home, what I get. Target trip, like nice and efficient. We got some good things. I'll show you guys when we get back. I'm really excited though about what we got. And I always feel like it's a win to go to Target, especially to get gifts for someone and spend less than 70 bucks. I don't know, that always feels like a win. I feel like I always spend like $75 every time I come to Target, even when I come for like 2 things. So we are home from Target. So I'm gonna give you guys a little Target haul. Starting with the gift that I got for my friend's baby. So we've got this little gift bag. I got him socks. How cute. Got these 2 things. So this is like a little pack of 3 onesies. And I got 12 months for him for that. And then I got him something he can grow into. So it is for 18 months and it's this little onesie. It has like little tigers on it, and then this matching set, which I just, oh my god, it's too cute. It's like a little terry cloth fabric. I think he's gonna look adorable in it. That's what we got for Baby Jet. This is the best ever. If you have not tried the Talenti coffee chocolate chip gelato, chef's kiss, you need to try it. It's so good. Also, these are on sale. I've never seen these before. These are Katz chocolate cupcakes with cream filling. Basically, it's like a Hostess cupcake.
But gluten-free.
I'm so excited. And then we just got a few more things. Gluten-free chocolate check, some crushed red pepper seasoning, garlic, and more Chick-fil-A sauce because obviously.
Are you air frying French fries?
No, asparagus.
Oh, asparagus, right, vegetables.
You wish they were French fries.
I do wish they were French fries.
Chick-fil-A marketing.
I really do. Who doesn't always want French fries? Laundry away, which felt so freaking good. Threw our sheets in to the dryer. Do you have a towel or anything that you want to wash? I could throw it in with the...
I can always wash the towel if it's hanging in my bag.
Okay.
Try to
Cool, I'm gonna grab that. Try and get Gouda to stop being such a...
Goober.
He thinks it's a game.
I'm not playing this game with you, bro.
That's not fun. I'm not playing. Matt has started making dinner for us because he's the best. We've got cheese here. We've got some jovial gluten-free pasta, tagliatelle.
Tagliatelle.
Got some water. Got some broccoli being air fried. Thank God Matt's doing it because when I do it, it gets burnt. I just haven't learned the air fryer as well. Like, AKA I get distracted. Yeah, I get distracted.
Let's be real, I get distracted.
And then asparagus. What mostly happens is I end up putting the air fryer on and then I'm like, oh, it's like a set it and forget it thing.
And it's really not.
But that's what my brain kind of thinks, and so then I go to my computer and start doing some kind of work, usually for now, but sometimes on weekends for like vlog video stuff, and then I just forget. But I will say, been crushing it with my vlogging game because I edited 2 vlogs today, and the second vlog is 96% uploaded, so it is almost uploaded and scheduled. I have been successfully publishing 2 videos a week to my YouTube channel for the last over a month now, and I'm on track to be continuing to do that all throughout April, which has me really proud of myself because I don't know if that's something I'm going to be able to continue in May and throughout the summer. I just don't know. You know, life ebbs and flows, and I'm never going to put pressure on myself until I'm fully making my income from content creation. I'm never going to put pressure on myself to like have to create content because then it strips the joy out of it. So it's been so fun vlogging. It's so nice having this new laptop because editing is just such a dream. It's so easy. Dinner looks so good, and I am going to take my makeup off and just get ready to have a chill night with Matt. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.